Page number 411, ready, start. Entered in sale deed dated 26th July 1990, stop. On the pleadings of the parties, issues were framed, stop. During the pendency of the suit, the defendant made an application under Order 14 Rule 2 Civil Procedure Code praying that issue number 5 be treated as a preliminary issue, stop. It was prayed that plaint be rejected for non-payment of proper court fee, stop. On the prayer of the defendant, issue number 5 as to court fee was treated as a preliminary issue, stop para. Plaintiff has paid ₹25 as court fee on the plaint, stop. He has valued the plaint for purposes of court fee and jurisdiction at ₹200, stop paragraph. Issue number 5 was ordered to be treated as a preliminary issue, stop. On this issue, Civil Judge (Senior Division, Gurgaon) wide order dated 4th December 1999 held that the plaintiff's case was covered by Article 1, Schedule 1 of the Court Fees Act and therefore he was required to pay the ad valorem court fee on the value of the property involved, stop. Plaintiff was required to pay court fee on the valuation of the property which was entered in the sale deed dated 26th July 1990 as ₹79,25,000, stop. He was thus required to pay court fee on the amount of ₹79,25,000, stop. He was given 20 days time to make up the deficiency in court fee, stop para. Aggrieved by this order dated 4th December 1999, plaintiff has come up in revision to this court, stop para. I have heard Shri C.B. Goyal, advocate representing the petitioner, and Shri H.S. so-and-so, senior advocate, assisted by Shri Sanjay Vij, advocate representing the respondent, and have gone through the record, stop para. In so-and-so and others, AIR 1973 SC 2384, the Honorable Supreme Court held as follows, stop para. The court is deciding the question of court fee should look into the allegations in the plaint to see what is the substantive relief that is asked for, stop. Mere astuteness in drafting the plaint will not be allowed to stand in the way of the court looking at the substance of the relief asked for, full stop para. In this case, therefore, we have to discover what really is the relief which the plaintiff has asked for, full stop. Whether the plaintiff was essentially required to claim that the sale deed 26th July 1990 executed by Sher Singh in favor of the defendant was null and void for claiming the relief that he has become owner by adverse possession, or he could be given the relief of declaration that he has acquired title to this land through adverse possession for over 30 years and by way of consequential relief of permanent injunction restraining the defendant from interfering or dispossessing him. Stop.